If you are looking to take and pass the Magento certification, I have 3 tips that I would like to share with you to get you going down the right track. Number 1, set yourself up for success by taking the right test. I know this sounds basic, maybe a little bit elementary, but here's why I say that. You see, I receive emails maybe weekly from people that say, I am looking to take and pass the Professional Developer Plus certification. I mean, that's like the crown jewel of the Magento lineup of certifications. I'd like to take and I'd like to pass that. How can I do that? Well, let's start with not doing that test first. That is fantastic once you have a number of other tests under your belt, certifications under your belt. But let's start with the associate developer. You might say, well, but Joseph, that certification sounds a little bit basic, maybe a little bit elementary. Think about this. Once you take and pass the associate developer test, you will be more certified than maybe the majority of Magento developers out there. That's a good position to be in. Once you achieve that one, go for the developer test, the professional developer test, then maybe the front-end developer, then the JavaScript, and then finally go for that professional developer plus that you wanted in the beginning. And in the meantime, you will enjoy the accolades of your peers for maybe being the most certified Magento developer in your company. Number 2, set aside time every day for study. I found it helpful to make it be 30 minutes at the beginning of my day before any work crisis or any other problems, distractions happen. Just take those 30 minutes and make sure they happen. Because here's what I see often occurring. Your manager sets an arbitrary deadline. Maybe it's passed down from other management. Say it has to be on this date, you have to be certified. Well, things happen, life happens, if nothing else, it gets pushed off. And that 2 weeks comes, then 1 week comes before the deadline, and finally you realize, yikes, I have not prepared for this test. Well, you panic, of course, then you go take the test and you fail. Sad face for everybody. If you set aside that time consistently, you'll be very happy with yourself. And number 3, just perfectly dovetails in with number 2 there. Number 3 is to study as if it will further your career. Because guess what? It will. Every minute you study, it's like you're paying yourself money. I mean, it really is. It's like you are paying yourself money. Well, it's not growing your bank account. It's growing the bank account of knowledge in your head. This has been really helpful for me. As a result of the training and certification material I've put out, I can say with complete confidence, it has greatly improved my speed in being able to build a module. It has increased my confidence in being able to talk to merchants, to be able to solve their problems, to provide advice with regards to using, the Magento admin. And I've also received quite a few thank yous from people who have said the same, as they have invested, no matter what test it is, a developer test or a non-technical test, put that in quotes because like the solution specialist, it's not easy. But as you invest in yourself, it will improve your career. Guarantee it. 100% guarantee it. So if you found this helpful, please like it. I'm pulling together material around preparing for and passing Magento certifications. Stay tuned, and we'll see you later.